With the walkthrough of the interface now complete and out of the way, let's go into actually using the editor. Now what I'm going to do is introduce this editor by a series of baby steps, starting with the trim. Now you do a trim here. I'm going to go into storyboard mode, and at the top, once you've selected a file, you see a series of icons come into view, and it's the one with the scalpel that you click, which is the trim icon. And then you get this trim dialog box, now which you can resize. Now the dialog box, it's worth going over the layout, because though it's nice and simple, it's also well organized. It's a very good workflow here. The red box shows the video canvas, and this acts like a previewer, so you can see the frame you want to locate and then remove or play the movie to the point where you want to locate a frame, and that's when you then mark the in and out point. So the next stage is, how do you get to those in and out points? Well, the whole control of this is down here, the lower end. The in point is marked by the leading bracket. So once you click the marker, which is this marker, over to the frame you want, you then click that leading bracket and it marks the in point. To mark the out point, you click the closing bracket, and what you do is you move this marker to the frame where you want to mark as your out point, and then you click the closing bracket. Now this dialog box is a multi-use dialog box, so you may want to check by either looking at the header or this radio button that it's on trim, so you know it's in trim mode. That being said, let's now see the whole of this in action. And as you can see, it is very easy to use, and these nice clear controls make the whole process of trimming quite a doddle, which is exactly what you want for a video editor that's targeted for the novice and beginner. Thumbs up to Serif, you pass that test with flying colors. Now let's move on to the next test, which is doing color enhancement or enrichment of a video clip. I use the same clip which shows my shepherd, which is Nelson Shepherd, walking along the Normandy, approaching the cockpit of the Normandy where Joker is. Now what you can see here is I'm using the thing called curves or luminous curves to adjust the brightnesses and the color of the brightnesses. Now what I like about this whole of this way this task management is done within Serif is how easy it is and attached to a clip, and it's done so in such a nice, neat way that it's impressive. There's no other word about it. And above all, these are professional type tools that are not in your face. So a beginner in video editing can easily learn this art without any sort of being daunted by lots of technologies. I like this, and I think, again, Serif did a damn good job here. It passed with flying colors. So I'm now going to do the final test, which is a special effects test. This test is about taking a clip, in this case it's the biometric scanner, and what I'm going to do here is put a picture in picture. What I want to do is place this matrix type video clip around an area called put your photo here. So in other words, the biometric scanner has scanned the person's finger past them and shown their ID, which is going to be this matrix video. And as you could see here, the whole process of resizing and moving this around is remarkably easy. Now I've used some professional editors which could learn from this. It really is nice to see. And now I'm doing some enrichment to that actual video clip, and everything is happening very easy. And as you can see, the way that task is being hooked into that clip and the whole project is very neat. And I don't just mean that because of the innovative task management, but as an editor targeted for beginners and novices, this enables the novice or beginner to learn about video editing and all the things you need to know if you want to become a professional video editor. So for that, I think Serif did a very good job. So how would I judge this? Well, to start off with, the media process, though the workflow was good, efficiency was bad and the product didn't quite meet the spec. I got in touch with technical support, and technical support said they couldn't do anything with X6, but they will do something with X7, which is good. It's interface is innovative and easy to use, so I like that. And when you actually use the editor in anger, well, you do feel like the conductor, which means essentially that you only have to focus on the editing and you let the editor do the rest, and that's what you want. So this is a 4-star product for that. And it's also 4-star because technical support got back to say what they're going to do with the next version. But that doesn't explain why 4 stars now. Well, the reason why I'm going to give 4 stars is because I found a fix, and I'll be showing how to do that fix in one of my next tutorial videos.